Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got another EDC unwrapping video for you, and I got something today that I missed out on when it was first released, but I was able to find it on BladeHQ, so let's take a look at it. I got the Artisan Cutlery Corsair. You'll see why I have this one in a minute. What is it? I know what it is. I got the Olight I5T in copper. Now when Olight released these, had their sale, I missed out on it. But BladeHQ posted, on Instagram, they had this, so I went right over and bought it. My son bought one, then they sold out really fast, so comes in a different box. Doesn't tell much, but that's the light, and these are actual size. Simple but special limited edition. So open it up. Got a thank you on the bottom of the top. You got the congrats on your new Olight. Tells about the little plastic disc in the battery. Take that out. User manual. So here it is. Well, it's a little bigger and heavier than I thought. It's in a vacuum sealed bag, because once it hits, air hits it, it's gonna start oxidizing. So let's open it up. This is just a quick video unwrapping, first look. Get it out. Got the thing. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's got a little weight to it. I think it weighs 3 point some ounces, which is more than a lot of my knives. Let's open. There's that disc. Comes with a battery, a GM cell battery, and these things last a while too before you have to change them. It's all copper. See, the inside's all copper. Yeah, this is cool. I'm glad I got a hold of one. I didn't think I was ever going to get one. It's already on. Wow, that is pretty bright. Little size comparison. Here's the i3T. So you can see it's quite a bit. It's a little bit longer, definitely a little bit bigger around. So this is 300 lumens. I think this is 180. So on low, I think it's 15. And high, it's 300. So check this real quick. Drop rated 1.5 meters, IPX8, waterproof. Yeah, 300 lumens, 3 minutes, then it'll drop down 50% for 25 minutes, then drop down to 10%, but 15 lumens will last up to 20 hours. So yeah, this is pretty nice. You got the Olight right there, the i5T OS right there. The clip is brown, copperish color. Button's brown, so it all matches. Yeah, pretty cool. So just a quick video. I thought I'd show you what I got. New piece of my EDC kit. And I have to get ready for work, and My son's flashlight got delivered here, so I have to drop that off to him. And as always, if you like this video, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And until next time, bye.